Hello and welcome to Multi-Me Getting Started Activities Session 4. Activity number 6. Your circle, who's in it? Let's watch the video.
Log into Multi-Me. I'm going to put in my picture password, which I'm going to hide from you. And OK. To see who's in your circle, go to My Stuff and go to My Circle. Here you'll see the people already in your circle. I've got Andy, Gosha and my twin Rich, and my friend AJ, who I invited the other day using the Invite Users feature. You can only invite one person at a time from this window, so I'm going to invite Kanchan and select. And then you'll remember this from before. Is she a friend, family, support, or other? Well, she's a friend. Click on Friend and Send Invitation. Your circle invitation has been sent. Please wait for approval. OK. If you can't see the person you want to invite, speak to your buddy. They'll be able to invite anyone to join your circle, even if they're not on Multi-Me.
Excellent. Now have a look in your circle and see who's in it. Think about other people you could invite. If you can't see them there, remember you can always ask your buddy to send them an email invite to join your circle. Have a go at doing that whilst you pause the video, then click play again when you're ready to go on to activity number 7. Activity number 7, your calendar. Let's watch the video.
Now we're going to look at the calendar, so go to My Stuff and click on My Calendar. Here's what the calendar looks like, and as you can see, that's today's day along the top, and the red dotted line is the time it is at the moment, so nearly midday. These are the events in my calendar, and I'm going to click on this one to see what's happening at 4 o'clock. It's the Stay Connected Daily Drop-In. To see the details, I need to click on the heading. I can click on this Teams icon to join the session, and as you can see down here, I've already accepted the invitation. To return to the calendar, click on the blue Back button. There are different ways to add things to your calendar. One way is to go to the day, so I'm going to go to tomorrow, Saturday, go to the time, 3 o'clock, and click on the time. A window pops up. This is where you give your event a name and where you can add a picture, a location, and some audio. Because I've already chosen the day and the time, the only other thing I need to do is decide how long the event will last. Once you've filled everything in, you can click on the green Create button, but I'm going to click on the blue Cancel button. Another way to add something to your calendar is to click on New Event in the top menu. The same event window pops up and you'll need to put in a bit more information. So, the start date, what day is the event on? And then the finish date, and then the start time, what time does this event start? And the finish time. Then you would just click on the green Create button, but I'm just going to go Cancel. Another way to add an event to your calendar is to click on the blue Go to Date button in the top menu. A calendar pops up. I'm going to look for my birthday, which is the 14th of July. Click on 14, and here we are on the 14th of July in the calendar. So if I wanted to have a birthday party, I would just have to choose my time, 3 p.m. I think, click on it, and there's that event window again. And because I've already chosen the date, all I have to do is give the event a name and decide how long I want to be partying for. We're going to look at this in more detail in the next video when you'll get the chance to put your own birthday party in your calendar. To go back to today in your calendar, just click on My Calendar. There we go, we're back to today. And that's Activity 7 completed.
Now spend a bit of time having a look at your calendar on Multi-Me. You can pause the video and press play again when you're ready to move on to the next activity. Activity number 8. Add an event to your calendar.
Now that you know your way around your calendar, we're going to add an event. So go to My Calendar and let's all have a birthday party. So go to the blue button, go to Date, and find your birthday on the calendar. I'm looking for mine, July the 14th, as you all know. I'm clicking on the 14. So I've decided that my party is going to start at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So I'm going to click on 3 p.m. and I'm going to give my party a name, Jay's Jolly Jaunt. And let's add a picture. I've already put one in my media because I find it easier this way. And there it is. And add media. There we go. So let's just check the details. Yes, that's my birthday. That's also my birthday. Starts at 3. I think we'll go through till 11. Click on the green Create button, and there it is. Hang on though, I haven't invited anybody yet. Okay, so go into the event by clicking on the name and Invite User at the bottom. I'm going to invite everybody. AJ, Andy, Gosha, my twin brother Rich, Kanchan and family, and click on the green Invite button. I hope they can all come. I might even make my Dal. Okay, now click on the blue Back button. And here we are back in the calendar. Oh, hang on, we're still in July. Click on My Calendar to get back to today. Now we're going to add a second event. Do you remember when you added a goal to your wiki? Now you're going to use the calendar to set up a meeting with your support worker or family member to talk about your goal. So I'm going to click on Sunday at 2 p.m. Here's the event window. I'll give the event a name, My Yoga Goal, and I can add that picture that I put in my wiki. So that's already in my media. There he is, Mr. Yoga. Add media. What else can I do here? I can add some audio, so I might put in a message. Let's try that. So click on audio, and I'm going to record straight into my device. Here we go. Hey Rich, can we have a chat about yoga on Sunday at 2 p.m? That's it, let's listen back. Hey Rich, can we have a chat about yoga on Sunday at 2 p.m? Great, and save. It's always good to check the details before you create your event. So the time is right, the date is right. Create. Of course, it's going to be a very one-sided conversation unless I invite Rich along. So let's go into the event. And if you remember this, invite user, find Rich, there he is, and invite. I'm choosing Rich because I know he's done yoga before. Okay, now click on the blue back button and let's see what it looks like. Just scroll down the page, find it, there it is, and let's listen to the audio. Hey Rich, can we have a chat about yoga on Sunday at 2 p.m? Wow, that's just so cool. And that's also Activity 8 completed.
Excellent! Now have a go at adding an event to your calendar on Multi-Me. You could add your birthday, like Rich did, or you could add another event and invite people in from your circle. If you're feeling brave, you could add an audio message like Richard did. You can pause this video whilst you're doing it and press play again when you're ready to move on to activity number 9. Activity number 9. Add audio descriptions to your wiki sections.
Now we're going to look at adding some audio or sound to your wiki. So go to My Stuff, click on My Wiki, and you'll remember to add anything to your wiki, you need to click on the Edit button in the top right hand corner. Now click on the pencil on the People in My Life section to add sound. Click on the blue Add Audio button and choose how you want to add your audio. I'm going to choose Record Audio so I can speak straight into my device. So I click the green Record button. People in My Life. Click on the blue Stop button and then the blue Play button to see how it sounds. People in My Life. Sounds good, so I'll click on the green Save button. And then on the second green Save button. Now I'm going to do the other section names. Click on the pencil, click on the blue button Add Audio, then Record Audio, and here I go. J. Click the blue stop button and let's have a listen. Play. J. That's good. Save. And then save again. And we can move on to the last section. My hopes and dreams. Here we go. Add audio. And again, I'm going to record it with my device. Ready? Let's record. My hopes and dreams. And stop. And let's have a listen. My hopes and dreams. That sounds good. Save and save again. And there we go. We've got 3 pieces of audio recorded. Once the green messages have disappeared, click on View in the top right-hand corner to test out your wiki. People in my life. J. My hopes and dreams. There we go. We've added our first audio. Activity 9 completed.
That adds a whole new dimension to the wiki. Why don't you have a go at adding some audio to your wiki sections? You can press pause whilst you do this and press play again when you're ready to move on to the last activity. Activity number 10. Add people to your People in My Life section on your wiki. Let's watch the video.
Now I'm going to add more people to my People in My Life section. So go to My Stuff, click on the wiki, and go to the People in My Life section. Here's the picture I put in before, and to get a new slide, I'm going to hit the Edit button, and then the plus sign. I'm going to add a picture of my family who can remind me to do my yoga. I've already added some pictures to My Media. I find it easier to work this way. So add picture from My Media, and there's my family. Add media, and I'll just give it a title. My family. Save, and then some words underneath to say how they're going to help me with my goal. My family can encourage me and remind me to do my yoga. Save. Now I'm going to add someone else. So click on the plus sign. And I'm going to add my friend Louise. Louise has been doing yoga for years, so she'll definitely be able to help me. I've got her picture in My Media. There she is. Add media. Give the picture a title. So I'm going to say my friend Louise. Save. And some words underneath to say how she's going to help me. Louise is really good at yoga, and she will be my inspiration. Save. I'll just click on View to get rid of the pencils. And there she is, my yoga guru. Someone else I often go to when I want to talk about things is my twin brother Rich. So I'm going to click on the Edit pencil again and add a new slide where I can say something about him. This time I'm going to have a video on the slide. So I click on the blue video button and then add video from My Media, because you know I like doing that. There's the video, add media, and then give it a title. My brother Rich. And save. And now some words underneath to say a bit more about Rich. This is my twin brother Rich before he got really annoying. He's always a good person to talk things over with. Save, and then we'll go back into view mode so we can watch the video. Here we go. But we used to fight all the time. Anyway, I'm going to share my People in My Life section with my circle. Click on Share and then the yellow My Circle button. I'm going to share with all my circle and update circle sharing. Am I sure I want to share? Yes, I am. And that's it. You're slowly building your wiki and you've just completed Activity 10.
Excellent. So why don't you have a go at adding some people to the section on your wiki called People in My Life by creating new slides and adding pictures and some titles and words to those slides You can press pause whilst you're doing that, and then press play again to finish off this session. Excellent, well done. Now you have completed all the activities in session 4 and you have earned yourself a pink badge. Great work. I look forward to seeing you in session 5. Bye for now.